Hello everyone, so welcome to another video. My name is Moaz and you're watching my channel MacYT. So as you can see, we have a brand new drone here, DJI Mavic Air 2. This one is a North American variant, so we have OcuSync 2.0 and 10km video transmission range. So from the last couple of years, I was using the original DJI Mavic Air and I took many awesome shots using that drone. DJI Mavic Air 2 is completely redesigned and the design is very much similar to bigger drone DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So this time I bought the Fly More combo. You have 2 spare batteries and some extra accessories in the Fly More combo. With DJI Mavic Air 2, you also get the brand new remote control. I will also do a full review in the next video. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox this. So when you open the box, you will get a black bag with one accessory box. In this accessory box, you will get 3 sets of propellers and some paperwork. Okay, so now the remaining stuff is packed inside this black bag. So now let's open it. So in the bag on the left side, you have the drone. Let's take it out. So this is DJI Mavic Air 2. So the drone is crafted beautifully and you have no propellers on the drone. And you have to install all the propellers yourself. You also have a small LED light on the bottom side of the drone. So I will just place the drone on the side and we will talk about it later. You also get a charging hub in the Fly More combo to charge all batteries at once. So there is one more accessory box in the bag. In this box you get spare batteries and a charger to charge your batteries and the remote control. The next thing, we have the remote control for the DJI Mavic Air 2. This is the brand new remote control. So this remote is bigger and better if you compare it to the original Mavic Air. And you have the thumbsticks on the bottom of the remote. You also have a toggle to switch between tripod, normal or sport mode. So on the top of the remote control, you have one wheel to control the gimbal and one button to take photos or record video. And you have to mount your smartphone on the top of the remote control. The clamp to mount the smartphone on the remote control is very flexible and the cable is hidden underneath the clamp. Out of the box there is a lightning cable, so you can connect your iPhone with the remote control. You can also change the cable to micro USB or USB Type-C. Due to flexibility of clamp, it is very easy to install any bigger phone in this remote control and you can easily connect the cable on the side of your smartphone. So at the middle of the remote control, we have the toggle to switch between modes. And on the one side, we have the power on button. And on the other side, we have return to home button. On the top, we have the button to switch between photo or video mode. And we have one function button on the left side of the remote control. So in the hidden pocket of the bag, you get some additional accessories like USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, a set of ND filters, a power bank adapter for your batteries, extra thumbsticks, a USB Type-C to C cable and a USB Type-C to micro USB cable for the remote control. So the Mavic Air 2 design is very much similar to the other members of the family. You have the same foldable design with 3-axis gimbal. There are 2 stickers on the drone. One says you have to remove the gimbal protector before turning it on, and the other sticker says you have to charge the batteries first to activate it. Press the notch to remove the gimbal protector and then remove all the stickers from the drone. To unfold the drone, move the front arm sideways and then rotate the back arm anti-clockwise. So out of the box, batteries have no charge and you have to activate them. So I will charge the batteries first and then I will do the first flight. So with the help of this new battery, DJI Mavic Air 2 can fly up to 34 minutes. The remote has 75% of charge out of the box, but make sure to charge it fully before using for the first time. Charge all batteries one by one before using the charging hub. So there are 2 types of propellers, A and B. B propellers are unmarked while A propellers are marked. To install the propellers on the drone, just press the propellers downward and then rotate the motor to lock the propellers. The marked propellers have circular marks on them, and you have to install these propellers on the motors with marks. The new camera in DJI Mavic Air 2 can take up to 48 megapixel photos, and it can record up to 4K 60 FPS video. You can also record 8K hyperlapse with DJI Mavic Air 2. So on the one side of the drone you have a micro SD card slot, and on the other side you have a USB Type-C port which you can use to update the firmware of your drone. To fly DJI Mavic Air 2 you need DJI Fly app. You can install it from the App Store, then connect your smartphone with the remote control. And turn it on. And when you turn on the drone, it will be connected to the remote control. Now switch to camera view and you are ready for the first flight. So that's it for today. If you want to watch more videos for Mavic Air 2, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.